Traditional architectural knowledge is focused on the monument and spatial production of the elite. It has made architects blind to the intelligence of cultures of scarcity that work with the little resources they have. The 20th and 21st centuries are the times of mass human migration, human displacement, and creation of scarcity. It is time to see how, when populations are displaced, they are able to create different types of architecture for comfort. The culture that I focused on that is able to produce incredible sustainable architecture while in scarcity are the Kabul people of Khyber. Due to the closing of the international border between Pakistan and Afghanistan, known as the Durrant Line, the Afghan nomads of Khyber, who historically moved seasonally between the two sides of the border, were forced to take up a sedentary lifestyle in Pakistan. After the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan in 1979, these pastoral communities lost most of their livestock. Forced into extreme poverty, statelessness, and invisibility in the rural economy of the area, they have produced an architecture that can be best defined as architecture of scarcity and austerity. The architectural response of these communities has been a hybrid between mud and tensile construction that combined the intelligence of fixed and mobile architecture. I received a set of images photographed by Professor Youssef during a field trip in the winter of 2019. We evaluated the images and the design principles of the Kabuli settlement on Commons land. When we started the analysis of their architecture, we began to understand the architectural strategies for their resilience. The Kabuli people were able to build a resilient community with natural material, refuse, and waste. This adaptation to poverty shows how stable a community could be. They have produced a green and zero waste architecture that belies the dependency of certified green architecture on carbon extraction of natural resources, and economies of scale. My research focused on one of the houses in the camp. Starting at the beginning of the construction, a foundation is made on the site of the house. Then they erect columns into the foundation. These columns are scavenged from nearby trees. Then the next step is the attachment of horizontal wooden beams to the side of the structure. Similar to the columns in the foundation, they're scavenged from nearby trees. Then there is the assembly of the roofing system, which resembles the shape of an A-frame. After the construction of the roofing system, cement bags are used to cover the structure. These bags serve as protection from water damage to the building. These cement bags are scavenged when someone in the community is employed as a construction worker. After that, dry grass and branches are placed on the top of the cement bag layer. Then jute ropes are wrapped to fasten and secure the branches and cement bags into place. As a result of this building process, the community has created a house that is resilient, sustainable, and free from illness.